You sure you don't want to get in the water and try surfing, Hailey?
Personally, I think Hailey's gonna give Alex a run for her money someday. Like how she just got popped right in the face.
Hailey, your helmet is on backwards, too. You know, you almost look like Jack Sparrow.
Aloha, welcome back you guys. We are in the heart of winter and it just seems to keep raining and raining. We had some really nice weather for 2 days and Hailey wanted to go outside and go skateboarding.
You gotta push with your feet like you were earlier. Can you do that for me? Nice pop-up, dude. Yeah.
Hailey is a really good listener. She's great at taking feedback or coaching. For instance, like, look where you want to go, or take a deep breath and like calm down, and applying that in the moment.
Wow, look at you, dude. You could totally be into surfing if you wanted to. Can you put one foot down? Can you put one foot down? Well, that works too. Good job, dude. She's a total speed demon. All right, let's do this, dude. Now look in the direction you want to go. You want to go over towards our house, right? Whoop, whoop.
I skated like surfboard.
You sure you don't want to get in the water and try surfing, Hailey? I'll put your goggles on you. You won't get water in your eyes. Hailey, give me a shotgun. You're good. Lean. 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 See how the board is turning? And it's turning into the direction that you want to go.
Like surfboards.
Like surfboards. Okay. I guess that's one way of doing it, dude. That's okay. It's okay to do that.
I was shocked by how well both girls were doing on a skateboard. They've really come a long way, but we can't let the good weather pass by. Check the surf report. Surf report looks pretty amazing.
People are afraid of surfing.
Of course they are, but they're also brave, right? And that's what it means to be brave, is they overcome their fear. Not that they don't have any fear.
I promise I'll overcome my fear. But not waves.
Well, you're going to learn how to surf? That's what you just said. You said you were going to learn how to surf.
No waves, just surf on tiny waves.
Okay, we'll see what we can do, okay?
Can you find a beach that has smooth water?
I will do my best. Deal. Think you promise?
Mom, if you can't control the water and to stop making waves, that would be perfect. But no.
I'll have to see what I can do there, child.
Now I tried to get Hailey onto the surfboard, and there was a moment when we were skateboarding that she said that she wanted to try surfboarding. And I was like, okay, dude, maybe today's the day we can make this happen. But like as she started to think more and more about those waves, I think she definitely started to psych herself out. And then as soon as we actually got to the beach and she looked at those waves, even though they weren't that bad, especially right next to the shore, nope, didn't want to do it, nope. And I was like, but that's okay. That's kind of part of the deal.
like your new bathing suit?
Were definitely 3 to 5 feet, which is what the forecast called for, but the good waves were really far out there, meaning that Alex and John had to go out further than they were used to, and I just don't think either one of them that day just felt like they wanted to paddle out that far. John was saying he was pretty sore from work, and Alex was kind of like, meh.
I got hit by a surfboard and my teeth. The leash pulled the surfboard to me, and I popped up and I couldn't see it, and I saw it, and it literally was too close, and I was like, and I did this. And it hit my teeth, and when I went underwater, I hit the fin, and I hit these two.
I could tell that Alex was starting to get tired because she did the whale, the beach whale paddle. And if anyone has been surfing, you know what I'm talking about.
How you doing, bud? Daddy's gonna go in, okay? You can keep surfing if you want.
Yeah, I'll go in too because I just got hit with a surfboard on the bottom front teeth.
So I guess we're happy that we did not get Alex the fiberglass board.
Okay.
Me too.
Your board or somebody else's board?
On my board.
Okay.
Literally the fin. I actually went under and I hit it.
Okay.
Because that second wave I was about to get was gnarly. It's literally so fast. I literally hit myself.
So we called it a day, came back, and we all were, you know what, maybe we'll go to the skateboard park tomorrow. And then it rained. And it rained. And it rained. And then before you know it, 3 days went by and it was still raining.
Just playing in the rain with my scooter. When?
When we were on the way to pick up you.
A man keeps promising that it's going to stop raining. They say pretty much, oh, in the next 30 minutes it's going to stop raining, and the next 30 minutes it's going to stop raining. And it never does. It never does.
It's been raining a lot.
Relentless. Won't stop.
That it's wet. We were supposed to go to the skate park today. Alex is really bummed. This is the third day in a row that we've not been able to go to the skate park. It is what it is. I think we need to get some board games.
Mahalo!
So, we might not get to the skateboard park this time, but I think what we need is an indoor skateboard park inside an old hangar. We'll see you guys next week. Mahalo, you guys. Thank you for watching.